At this time, we're on item number 7.2, the Gullah Geechee proclamation. We have in our presence Queen Quet, the Chieftess of the Gullah Geechee Nation. Glad to see you again. Glad you come with us, and we do have a proclamation, but if there's something that you want to share with us before we say something about the proclamation.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
Glad to be here one more again in Hampton County and things like that. You know, I did from down in the water there.
Yes.
We put county and things like that. So it'll be a bit dry up here for me, so y'all sending rain. So I'm glad for that. So we here one more again. I never speak before the proclamation. I usually talk afterward. But
Okay,
I
well, I can present the proclamation if you want.
It's up to you.
Okay, yeah, I want to make sure I do it decent and in order.
Thank you. Right. You're setting history, don't set any precedent.
Appreciate that. We have a proclamation for you, if you would. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. She need to sign. Oh, you need to sign. Okay, one more signature.
They gonna legal.
Yes.
We just got to crack the teeth with legality. They gonna
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, the proclamation. It says State of South Carolina, County of Hampton Proclamation. Whereas during Reconstruction in 1878, Hampton County emerged from Beaufort County, South Carolina, to become the 33rd county in South Carolina. And whereas at its founding, Africans were brought into this region, and whereas these African people came to be known as Gullah Geechee, and whereas Gullah Geechees built churches and other historical institutions in Hampton County, including the first school for colored people established and built by Gullah Geechees in 1898. And whereas the Hampton Colored School was built in 1929 and still stands as a testimony to the architectural skills that Gullah Geechees brought to the South Carolina coast. And whereas numerous counties and cities in the state of South Carolina have chosen to celebrate this rich legacy by supporting the work of Queen Quet, Chieftess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and Kwame Shaw of All Mobile Productions, who co-founded the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival as an event to continue to educate the world on this and other aspects of the Gullah Geechee story and culture. And whereas the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival moves to various parts of the Gullah Geechee Nation and the African diaspora each year to celebrate the continuation of Gullah Geechee traditions. And whereas Hampton County will participate in a series of activities which will take place throughout the county and the South Carolina coast to honor the history and legacy of the Gullah Geechee Nation and to celebrate Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week leading up to the festival. And whereas at the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival will be the culminating event of the week celebrating, help me on this one here, Dyson? Dishadah Gullah Geechee.
There we go.
Okay, now therefore be it resolved that Hampton County Council hereby declares July 28th through August 5th, 2018 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in Hampton County, South Carolina, and call upon the citizens of our county to participate in this celebration adopted the 16th day of July 16, 2018. And members of Hampton County Council, Roy Hollingsworth, Chairman, Charles H. Phillips, Vice Chairman, Cedron D. Williams, Isaac Smith, Ronald G. Williams, and attested by our clerk to council, Eileen Lee. Okay?
Thank you.
And here's your proclamation, and we want to have it framed, and you want to have it framed and then send it to her?
Well, so I can't carry this the other night. You can send me the frame. I can't actually, you send me the frame.
Okay.
How about that? Okay. Well, I can. This is the biggest one we don't get.
Now,
thank you, sir.
we have
Yeah.
podium and let you put it in, we
Yes,
just
sir.
give you a watch.
Thank you, Council. I see I had a train on the children up this here road for crack heat in Gullah, Geechee. You're getting better, you're getting better. And so for everybody with the, if you want to come down to Charleston this year for the festival, that'll be the first weekend in August. So I have flyers here for the entire council, and I'll leave some in the back as well. I definitely want to thank you for this and for continuing to celebrate our story here in your county. Because more often than not, Hampton County is left out of the telling of the Gullah Geechee story. So it's so critical that we continue to speak this so that people are knowledgeable of its existence here. They only think it's just on the island sometime, or it's just in Charleston. And so we do this celebration so that people realize all of we Gullah Geechee around, you know, anything like that. And so I'm truly looking forward to being able to bring a Gullah Geechee production to the theater that you are holding on to as soon as the doors open. So, and every odd numbered year we take the festival to a different part of the Gullah Geechee Nation or the Gullah Geechee diaspora. So at some point I'll be at this podium requesting that you are hosted here in Hampton County. And I know Brother Williams ain't gonna let go of me and things like that. So I know I gotta get it from him and say, Queen, we're ready. The money is in, the building is ready, and we're ready to go. Not just to show people arts, but to teach them the cultural heritage associated with it. And that is so critical. So continue to do the excellent work that you are doing. I truly enjoyed this meeting tonight, actually. A lot of times I'm sitting there like, Lord, could they please have moved me up on the agenda? But I enjoyed this tonight, listening to our folks speak out in this community, because that means that people still love this community and want to fight for it. So thank you for your work. Thank you for this honor. I appreciate it.
One request I would
Yes,
like
sir.
to ask, when you come to the theater, how about selling some of those good cookbooks with the recipes?
We'll try to hook you up, but better than that, I thought you wanted the food already cooked. Now, I know I can guarantee that. I can guarantee you some good cornbread and old fresh meat. All right. Yeah.
I like things that
I can tell you, you're holding it down. All right. Thank y'all so much.
Thank you so much.
I appreciate it. And I'll be looking for my frame in the mail, but I will take this with me. All right. I don't want y'all to dissolve and then y'all have my paperwork inside the building.